Angel's Landing in Zion National Park is one of the most famous and most intimidating hikes in America. Today, the question isn't whether it's beautiful, it's are you brave enough? This isn't just a scare tactic. There have been 18 confirmed deaths as of 2026. At the top of Angel's Landing, you're 5,790 feet above sea level. In order to hike the final chain section, you must secure a spot via a lottery. I'll let you know, only one of us got a spot. The Zion Canyon was carved out over millions of years by the Virgin River, cutting through the Navajo sandstone. That's nearly 190 million years old. The hike starts out deceptively easy. Wide trails, smooth path, and incredible views.
Well, I made it this far. I don't know how far this is, but way down there is a little bus. Reminds me of Thomas the Tank Engine.
Our first few tips are to take breaks, drink water, and don't rush. Altitude and heat matter. With views like this, it's actually hard not to stop and take a break. For this hike, I saw a lot of people using hiking sticks. Be sure to check out my other videos hiking around this area, which include Arches National Park and Bryce Canyon. This area is protected for wildlife, including owls that nest in these canyon walls. It is actually nice and cool in this section because there is very little direct sun.
Okay, I think we officially made it to Walter's Wiggles.
Walter's Wiggles is a series of 21 steep switchbacks which were built in the 1920s by Zion's first superintendent. They're short, tight, and relentless. This is where the hike turns from a scenic stroll into real work.
I look strong for the video, but I'm really out of breath. They have drains. I guess the water doesn't have to go down the whole trail. It gets shortcuts.
Now you get to find out who's brave enough to continue on to Angel's Landing.
This is where Chris and I will separate.
It's not bad. 42 minutes. No, not bad.
Okay, we are almost to the chain section, and this is where Christopher has to check in to keep going. I'll go as far as I can to record him.
Unless he's a fast mover,
He is fast.
but we're going to slow him down anyway, so. See how they're slowing him down there? He can't
Yeah.
go. So he'll deal with that the whole way.
For me, I didn't go any further. It wasn't about strength or endurance, it was about exposure and knowing my limits, and that's something I don't think gets talked about enough.
And right in there is where the chains begin, and then you have to climb up along the side, and basically you're going way up there.
I'm still proud of myself for making it to Scouts Lookout. It's an accomplishment, and for many people, it's the perfect turnaround point. These are some of the most epic views I've had during my entire trip out to Utah.
The amazing thing is, as high as we are still dwarfed by these mountains. Somewhere way up there, Christopher is. One of the things we noticed is they had porta potties way up here. How did they empty them, or how deep is that hole? question for my little friend.
Is that good? Is that good snack?
Hey, no. This is my food. You go down and get your own at the bottom. Well, I found a nice place in the shade while I wait for Christopher, so look at that view. Not a bad place to rest.
Hey.
Hey. No, you can't have any. He's trying to eat the bag. Christopher's coming down the chains.
Watching him climb, I didn't feel disappointed. I felt proud. Proud of him for pushing himself, and proud of myself for listening to my instincts. Even though we're headed down the mountain, stay tuned. I have a full 4K video of him climbing up to Angel's Landing. This raw footage is incredible and can help you make an informed decision whether this is the hike for you. I did find it interesting that on the way down, I was not as nervous, which you would think I'd be more afraid of falling down the mountain than up the mountain. Whether you stop at Scout Lookout like I did, or conquer the summit like my son did, Zion is an unforgettable experience. Thanks for following us along on this hike. And now, as promised, here is the full hike up to Angel's Landing. The hike up is infamously known as the chain section, and you can see why.